Hi, I'm Lisa Williams. I'm one of your librarians here at Johnson City Public Library. This week, our topic is going to be using the library's resources to do research. This is the time of year where we typically get a big uptick in questions like, I have a paper due and I need 5 resources. But questions like, I'm looking for a new car or a new washing machine, or I want to know more about the candidates in the upcoming election, those are research questions too. So I like to tell people that doing research is a bit like doing detective work. You're going to go and gather all your facts, but then you'll draw your own conclusions from the information that you find. So you're really doing something original, and you're adding something to the store of knowledge in the world. So I think it's very exciting, can be very exciting to do that, and very empowering for you. I really like teaching people how to do this kind of thing. So in order to find your resources, first of all, you need to understand that they come in different types. We basically have print resources and online resources. This time we're going to talk about the print resources we have here in-house at the library that you're able to get through our curbside pickup. Some reference books don't check out, some of the encyclopedias and almanacs, things like that, but many other print sources do and are available to you. Also, we use our online catalog to find those. And then I'm going to demonstrate that for you in just a second. Next installment on this, we'll deal more with the online sources like the databases of the Tennessee Electronic Library. So in our catalog, I'm going to go out and actually show you how to do some searching here. Our catalog is located at jcpl.org. So you'll see a search box here, and you will want to select the library. We have access to 17 different libraries around the region. We can bring materials over for you from any of those. But if you do want to see the things, the process usually takes about a week to get a book from another library. So you can limit to just us and see what's available in-house, or you can leave it to search other libraries in the region. You make that choice in this box here. So let's say, for instance, you're researching a medical condition like diabetes. We'll go ahead and type that into our search box here and run our search, and you'll notice a couple of things in the beginning for the first results that it returns. It's also including some of the electronic resources. If you don't want to see those, if you want to look at only the physical books, there's a box over on the left side of your screen you can check and then say include. That will limit it to just the print books that are here. So if you scroll through your list, you'll notice that these results are a little on the random side. You see a lot of cookbooks. You may find books of funny essays, and that can be okay. But if you're looking for something that's a little more specific on target, let's select one that looks like would be a good source of information specific to the condition itself. When you click on the title, let me back up just a minute and make sure we're seeing how I do that. This is actually a link, the title of the book, and when you click that, it brings you more information about it. For instance, where you would find that in the library by this call number, and whether it's checked in or checked out. If the book was checked out by someone else, you'd see a date here, and that is the date that it's due back. But this record also includes one more handy help in doing your search, which is a subject term. There may be more than one subject term listed here as well, and that is actually a link that you can click, and it will search again in in our book collection and match up that term a little bit more specifically and exactly, you may get better, more accurate results from using the subject term. So that is one very good tip to know. It's always good to compare the results that you get with the keyword or the natural language search that you just type into our search box here. You'll notice also these fields have changed as well, and it tells you exactly what it's searching on. So that is very good to compare the results that you get using both methods. And you also, again, remember that you do have information about whether the book is checked in or out by clicking on the title. And another thing that it allows you to do, for instance, you want us to pull this book for you to pick up through our curbside service. What you would do is click the Place a Hold button here, then enter your library card number. Your password is your last name, and that will go ahead and tell us to pull the book off the shelf for you, and we'll give you a notification when it's ready for you to pick up. So you can actually do all of that right here online through our catalog on our website. So that's it for today's installment. Join us next time. We're going to be talking about searching in the databases, and we hope to see you then.